Oh, ow, 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 ow. That guy is so bitey. This guy is so bitey. Hey, watch out my bad finger.
Be gentle. Gentle. Oops.
Oh. Ow.
Use your other finger.
Why?
Because I don't like that finger. Wait.
Watch out! Ouch! Ouch!
You had to take your finger away when he hurt you. I want him.
Oh, dude, this claw is so cute. He's biting. Ow, ow. I got it. Hey, do you smell it?
Relax. Don't get too wild. You'll scare him.
Why is he biting? He's biting.
That's right. He thinks it's a seed. He's trying to take the shell off.
That hurts. Be careful. So bitey. Look, Mom. He's being careful.
Mm-hmm. Give him another one.
Hey, try it.
I have 2 birds at home. I love birds.
Do you like birds?
Yeah, I love birds.
When they bite you, you don't like birds?
It's all how they work. I mean, some birds bite, some birds don't. This one's a good bird. And then people tease him.
This guy's pretty gentle.
Yeah.
He's a good guy.
Ring the doorbell.
I wonder if they have a name for him.
No.
Be careful.
He's trying to take your fingernail off.
He's
I don't
hungry.
know why, but birds always do that. Try to pry your finger.
They think it's a seed or something.
Probably.
He's licking.
Sure is being gentle though, huh?
His claws are pokey.
I've never seen an in-store bird bag.
Can't touch his. Ouch. Bite it.
No. Boy, dude.
Ow. Be
I
careful.
want him.
He wants my whole hand.
Oh, he's so soft.
His tongue is weird. What? Ring, ring.
Don't do that. That scares him, and that'll make him mean.
And then he slides.
Then he will bite people instead of play with them. Oh.
What? Hey, guys. Hey. Try.
Pretty bird.
Careful. Be careful.
Xavier,
It tickles or something?
let go of his hand.
It's quite alright.
Hey, stop. I'm trying to make him bite my.
Be nice.
Ow!
See, he doesn't like you being rough.
Oh my gosh, he got free.
Look. Ow!
What?
He bit me. Stop.
Can I touch him?
No, he wants to hit it. Oh, you want to do it?
No.
Okay, do it.
No.
He's going to bite you.
Look at these, Mom. Come here, Mom.
I want to play with him some more.
Bite me.
Don't hit the glass like that. That'll make him mean. We don't want to make him mean. I want him.
I want him too. Can I spy him?
I don't think Daddy would let us. Oh, stop.
Hey,
Hey, what?
look at this bird. Biting.
I do not
He's
think I would let that
gentle.
bird bite me.
He's being gentle. He's not hurting.
$300?
Mm,
Are you kidding me for a bird?
yeah.
Holy smokes.
Can you touch him?
Oh, I think I'm going to pass on petting him.
Be careful. Oh. Hey, hey.
Be nice. Don't tease him, Xavier. Can you be nice to him?
Look at these birdies. Look at these.
He's a pretty bird. You pretty bird. Go over there. He doesn't want you to go away. Does that hurt?
Tickles though, it hurts though.
What's wrong?
Hurts.
Well, don't let him do it then.
I'm gonna read this.
Put that back. Xavier. Put it back. I asked you to put it back.
I'm scared.
No, come here.